In the annals of history, one weapon changed the course of ancient warfare forever: the catapult. Join us as we journey back in time to explore the fascinating history of these powerful war machines and the ingenuity behind their design. The catapult's origins date back to ancient times, where great civilizations like the Greeks, Romans, and Chinese employed these mighty machines on the battlefield. Initially used to launch arrows and spears, catapults soon evolved to hurl heavier projectiles, becoming formidable weapons in sieges and battles. There were various types of catapults developed across cultures, each with its unique design and purpose. The Mangonel and the Onager were popular in the Roman era, while the Trebuchet gained fame during the Middle Ages for its incredible throwing range and power. Catapults revolutionized siege warfare, enabling attackers to breach fortified walls and castles that were once thought impregnable. These massive machines became key instruments during historic sieges, shaping the outcomes of many battles throughout history. The construction of catapults was an engineering marvel in itself. With rudimentary materials and calculations, ancient engineers designed trebuchets capable of launching boulders weighing hundreds of pounds. Their designs balanced the principles of tension, torsion, and counterweight to achieve optimal throwing power. Although no longer used in warfare, the legacy of catapults lives on. Today, enthusiasts recreate these ancient machines, celebrating their historical significance and technical brilliance. Furthermore, the principles behind catapults continue to inspire modern-day engineering and innovation. The catapults of history represent more than just war machines. They embody the brilliance and ingenuity of ancient civilizations. As we delve into the past to understand these powerful tools of conquest, let us appreciate the achievements of those who designed and wielded these incredible catapults.